Welcome to the first episode of the Wild Scandinavian Way.
Fish on! Fish on! What the heck? Catch of the day.
My name is Brian Bojsen and I'm a chef. This show is about finding the hottest spots for outdoor cooking, hunting and fishing the freshest products, cooking them up with friends in nature, bringing sustainability to life. This is the Wild Scandinavian Way. It's early morning and I'm on my way over to Ben and ToBe and hooking up the boat. We are going to Rügen in the Baltic Sea. It's the biggest island of Germany and it's very known for its cod fishing. So that's going to be a lot of fun.
Seems to be a tough boat, mate.
Yeah,
Tell me something.
It actually is. The boat's 700 open, so fully aluminum. We paired it with a 300 horsepower engine.
300.
So, yeah, it goes up to 90 kilometers per hour. And today we have the perfect day for it. So the sea is totally calm and we will head to the fishing spots in a breeze. I had a fish on, dude. Oh, fish on! Fish on! Well done! Number one man!
Hold on, still in the water. Oh, look at this!
Hey! Catch of the day!
I caught the first one, but it's a small one. Give him a big kiss.
Give him a kiss.
But we'll let it free.
It's so small.
Okay, baby. Get back in there.
Good.
And who said that the Danish guy can catch any fish, huh?
That was a lucky shot.
What the heck? Dinner for you, baby. It's pretty deep in here, so around 20 meters. We're fishing jig heads with rubber lures. These are pretty heavy, like 40 grams. There are actually two styles of fishing. One is casting and jigging the lure back to the boat, and the other one is vertical fishing, means just letting the lure drop down and let it bounce on the bottom, and then the fish comes up and takes the lure. Okay, one for the beeper.
One for the beeper.
Oh, lunch is coming, lunch is coming. Nice one. Just cut it, and then in the beefer 800 degrees or 1500 degrees Fahrenheit. Beef it all really hot, and then we're gonna make a little wrap out of it. It's gonna be so good, guys. I love this shit.
Best thing after a fishing day is the food. Whoa.
Smells amazing.
Beautiful.
With mayo. Lime. Some lime, some soy sauce. Fresh cut cod with onions and mayo.
Yeah, it looks amazing. Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah, baby.
So we go a little bit more west. There should be a better point. Yeah, let's hit it.
Ready to go?
Yo.
Yeah. That's truly the white Scandinavian way.
Captain, what are you looking for?
Inspiration.
We'll never ask the captain, he's very concentrated, he's doing his work. He's the guy who finds the fish, but he's not the guy who catches the fish, that's the Dane. Danish dynamite.
What is the Dane doing?
Freeze him a fucking asshole. Yeah, that's gonna be a nice dinner.
Yeah, big one. Excellent.
Yay!
Yes, man.
Look at this.
Lovely guy.
Look at that. Oh, that's gonna be so tasty, so good.
Yeah.
Let's
awesome.
go. Oh,
I,
nice.
I totally love the orange
Yeah.
spots on them.
Nice one.
Ah, there it is. Whoa! Oh!
Yeah. Catch of the day.
Can't wait to get back to the beach. You know, cook up all the fishies that we caught. Then maybe take out the fly rod, see if we can catch some garfish, and then get the dinner going. So guys, now we're ready to go out and see if we can catch some garfish. We just landed the boat, get the fire going later and make a nice dinner for everybody. But first we'll see who catch the first fish, huh?
Stop talking. Let's go fishing.
Sick, nice. Okay, let's release him, don't we?
Okay.
It's a beautiful fish, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty funny actually, and it has green bones.
Hi, mate.
Biting a lot, but it was hard to get, but I got one.
Wow.
Sick.
Now what are you gonna do with this one?
There's a lot of bones inside, so it's really a special way of cutting it, but I will cut it up and then I roll it up with some herbs and then we put it on fire.
Nice.
So let's go make some dinner.
Nice.
First I take the plies and put it on a spade and cook it with salt and chili over the fire. So many bones in the fish. What we do is like a really small cut and cross cut it. So we cut all the bones really small so we can eat it. So this is a rub that I made. Herbs, kuma, dry mustard. What I do is gonna roll it in.
Experimental today. Beautiful fish.
Yes. It's the one that I caught.
Yeah.
Just gonna slice it down and make a nice ceviche out of it with stinging nettle, some chili, some celery, lime and lemon and just a little bit of sugar and then let it rest. chop up some nice cod cutlets, which you're gonna put in a barbecue sauce. I made a barbecue sauce, fresh here, and put the cod inside. We took off the heads, cooked it up now in salt water, seaweed, different herbs, and then we filled it up with soya sauce and letting that cook for a little bit. And up here we have them in whole, different herbs, carrots, potatoes under the seaweed. We're gonna slice them up in the end and put them in the sauce here together, and flatfish. Over here we cooked up with chili. A lot of nice things, a lot of fresh fish we've caught. So it's been amazing. Yeah, it's been unreal. Nice weather, sun is shining, amazing boat, good guys out here. It can't get any better.